is an old research project.
This is an old research project I did during my times at Huawei in Paris. I was leading a research team there, and we started to collaborate with Eitan, and we were very proud of our bitrate adaptation algorithms for video streaming, and we made, sometimes in companies you have to do these colorful videos to convince some important people, so we spent some time on this. And I showed this to Eitan, and then Eitan said, well, it's all nice and well, but something's missing. And I got afraid. I wondered, okay, did we do something wrong with the optimization? Didn't we thought really about the problem, etc. But no, Eitan said, the music is missing, the video is still, it's boring to watch. And I agreed, he was right. But I had no free music available I could use for this, because I wanted to put it in YouTube. And I think he said this on a Friday, and on a Saturday I received a hidden YouTube video with music behind it. So he took my video, composed the tune, put the tune behind it, and we agreed that this was the final version of the video. So this is what Eitan does. So I want to just show you this video, and I hope you get in the mood, because it's quite a groovy tune, I think.